The DDPAI 4K-Cam N5 Dual is a top-tier driving companion designed to provide superior video quality and enhanced safety features. With its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera, this dashcam captures every detail on the road, ensuring crystal-clear footage in all conditions. The wide 140 degrees field of view covers more of your surroundings, reducing blind spots and offering a comprehensive driving experience. Equipped with advanced NightVIS and Realcube technologies, the camera delivers sharp and vibrant images even in low-light environments, making nighttime driving safer than ever. One of the standout features of the DDPAI N5 Dual is its AI-powered radar motion detection system. The built-in millimeter-wave radar continuously monitors vehicle surroundings and automatically records a 10-second clip if it detects movement nearby. This feature is particularly useful for parking surveillance, providing added security against potential collisions or theft. The D²save 2.0 dual memory storage system ensures that important footage is never lost, offering both a 512GB MicroSD card and a 32GB built-in eMMC BlackBox for backup in case of memory card failure. For drivers looking for convenience, this dashcam comes with smart voice control, allowing hands-free operation with simple voice commands. The built-in GPS module accurately tracks driving routes, speed, and time, all of which can be easily accessed through the DDPAI app. The Supercapacitor power system enhances durability, allowing the camera to function reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for seamless integration, the DDPAI N5 Dual supports a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for fast and stable video transfers. Its sleek and compact build blends effortlessly with any vehicle interior. Whether you're commuting daily, going on a road trip, or ensuring the safety of your parked car, this dashcam provides the ultimate peace of mind.